Hey, welcome to Travis Fam Adventures, where we try to find an adventure every day. Today we're going to be setting up a hammock and our tarp over the hammock so we can enjoy some time outdoors in our yard. Hold on, we'll see you in a minute. Our first step will be to figure out just how much distance we have between our trees. I try to have between 15 and 20 feet between my trees. So here we go. Just using my size 11. When putting our strap on the tree, we want to cause as little strain and damage to the tree as possible. We also want to cause as little strain and damage as possible to our equipment. So when you put the strap on the tree, make sure it lays flat all the way around with no twists. Also, if your loop is on one side of the tree and you pull your working end and the strap has to go through the loop and make a 180-degree turn, that's bad. Spin the strap around to the other side of the tree so that it comes straight off the tree and through the loop and down to your hammock. There is a lot less strain on your equipment. My suspension is very strong. It can support many hundreds and hundreds of pounds, probably more than what the hammock can support. Your suspension that you get with your H.y.o.h or that comes included with your $20 big box store hammock probably cannot support that much weight. So it is very important that you monitor the angle of your hang. That is the angle of the suspension relative to the surface of the earth. This next idea I won an international contest with. Yeah, it was a major award. I recommended using an iPhone, the level on the iPhone, to determine the hang angle, the hangle for your hammock suspension. At 30 degrees, if you put 150 pounds in the hammock, it's going to pull 150 pounds on this tree and 150 pounds on that tree down there. So you want your suspension to be at least at 30 degrees, preferably higher. Mine usually sits about 33, 34. When I get in the hammock, the number goes up. It makes it steeper so that my trees and suspension are holding less. Remember your angle. So now we have the hammock and the tarp set up. So now let's show you how to lay down in it. A lot of people, when they first get their hammock, they want to lay down straight in line with the hammock, with their feet up high, their head up high, and their butt down low, like a banana. This is not the right way to do it, and you will just not enjoy your hammock experience. The secret is to lie on an angle, diagonally, the diagonal lay. So I'm going to turn, and the way I like to lay is head right and feet left. And now I am almost horizontal, laying very flat. I am not shaped like a banana anymore. Even laying like this, I can roll over and sleep on my side, or even my belly. Try sleeping on your belly laying straight in a hammock. It's not going to work. Well, I found my proper hang angle with my suspension. I've got a good diagonal lay. I've got my tarp set up to keep the sun off of me. So now I'm going to relax the rest of the day. Weird Travis Fam Adventures. We hope that you find your adventure every day, and we'll see you next time.